What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today it is kind of a rainy, crappy day out there today, but I'm excited because we're actually taking the car into the tint shop here to get full ceramic tint applied. I think this is gonna drastically change the look of the car, and I'm excited for that for sure. What we're going with today, we're doing 25% on the sides and back, and I opted to do 50% on the windshield, mainly because the summers here in Georgia get really hot, and I really want to have that heat rejection in place all the way around for when it gets blistering hot. And hopefully it keeps the car a little bit cooler in the summertime. My appointment is in about 15 minutes, so we got to get on the road, head over there now, and we'll see what this whole process is like. I've never had tint on a vehicle before, so hopefully we're able to check it out and get some footage for you guys. All right, I'll meet you there.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Well, guys, there she is with the tint fully installed. Check it out. This is 25% on the sides and back, and then we also have the 50% installed on the windshield. There is some streaking going on right now here, but he said in about 3 days that will disappear. So, man, just let me back up real quick before we get it home and take a look at that. That is looking really cool, man. Totally different. I'm excited to drive this thing. All right, so let's get the car home and then we'll take a little bit more of an in-depth look at it, but so far so good. It looks freaking awesome, man. So let's take it home and we'll take a look. Guys, we are back at the house here after getting the car fully tinted. This is actually a couple days later, actually, because it was super nasty all weekend, rainy, the whole 9 yards. So we are back at the house now. I just washed the car, as you can see, and I want to show you what the tint looks like here on this nice kind of sunny day. So again, we did 50% on the windshield. We did 25% on the rest of the car. So pretty cool. There is a couple things that I'm waiting on for it to kind of settle out here. Man, the tree is already dropping these little pieces of crap. Anyways, there's a couple things. It's getting better. There's some little tiny little bubbles underneath. There's actually water spots on the outside I have to take care of, but there's some little bubbles here. But I'm trying to be patient with this, guys. The company said it can take like 3 days, so this would be like I think this would be the third day. This would be the third day. So after today, I'm parking it out here in the sun to just let the heat kind of get at it here. But I'm hoping those will go away. If not, I'll take it back to them. And they said they would fix it. So it looks really cool. I think the color combination, 25% all the way around, I think is just dark enough to where, you know, sitting in the vehicle, you can kind of see the outline of the person, but it's not like you see their actual face. And I think so the privacy is good. And then also just the color combination with the grabber blue, I think looks great on the side. It might even look darker on camera. I sent a couple pictures to some friends of mine and they said it looks like 5%. It's definitely not, it's 25%. But the windshield being 50, you can see right in there. And well, maybe not in the sun, I don't know. I can see it here. But let's take you inside real quick. I'll show you what it looks like in here. We'll go take a seat. All right. And I can't roll the windows down either for a few days. I still have the sticker there. But this is what it looks like inside the car. So I'm not sure, again, with the camera, what that'll look like because, you know, camera is going to adjust for the different lighting conditions. But yeah, it's not that dark in here, to be honest. It looks much darker from the outside. So pretty cool. So far, I'm really loving it. I just want to make sure that it all the little bubbles in the back go away because that would drive me absolutely insane. And, you know, everything else starts to look good. Wow, that tree just dumped a ton of crap all over the car that I just washed. Yes, it looks pretty good. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it, guys. This does have like a 98% heat rejection to it. So I think in the summertime, that's going to be absolutely awesome here in Georgia because it gets obviously pretty damn hot. So pretty cool. I'll make sure to give you guys a little update video as well. on if that rear tint ends up working out or not, or if they're gonna have to go back and work on that. I'm not really sure. But I'll provide you guys with an update. But so far, it's looking pretty good. I think I want to go take the car real quick over to the lake and get some cool pictures and video of it. So why don't we go there now? Well, there you have it, guys. The tint by the lake is looking pretty good, man. This color, I think, really suits getting a decently dark tint. And honestly, it's just that perfect kind of balance of drivability as well as good looks. So you can see it here, guys, out by the lake. It looks pretty cool. So I think it's been a nice addition to Astro here, and I'm very impressed with it. Guys, and let me know what you think down in the video description. I think it came out pretty dang good here. We're gonna see if the rear glass kind of gets, you know, those little bubbles out. If not, I'll take it back to the guy and have him redo that section. It has a lifetime warranty on it, so I'm not too worried about that. They seem like a great shop, so I think they'll take care of it if there's any issues. But overall, man, you get to see the ceramic coating with the tint. It's looking pretty good, man. Astro is looking good. Crazy, huh? Oh, I had a bug land on me. All right, guys, with that being said, you guys have a great day. We'll catch you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.